Hello and welcome. Today I am going to be doing a voiceover over this recording, and right now, since it's very cold outside, no one is feeding all the birds, and they're actually very hungry. So today we bought a bunch of bread, and we went to all the ducks and all the pigeons and all the seagulls, and we gave them a bunch of food. As you can see, this is me and my sister giving them food, and our friends. And yeah, we're just all having a good time feeding the birds. And as you can see, they are very fighting over the food because like all of them are very hungry. As you can see right there, here's a seagull trying to steal some from the duck. And there's all kinds of birds. There's pigeons, there's seagulls, basically anything that wants bread. Just all of a sudden came because they saw some of the birds are here, and so they all just came. Because I'm guessing they're all hungry since no one really feeds in like cold weather because they don't go outside or they don't bring anything when they go outside. It was about like 6 degrees outside, so quite cold. As you can see, we have a bunch of coats and stuff. Anyways, goodbye, guys.